What is this? Oh, that didn't sound too bad. That sounds pretty good actually for a little golf. Today we are doing wraps. I've never done it. My buddy's done it very, very briefly. But we're gonna go wrap his hardtop for his Miata. But he wants me to meet him somewhere downtown, and he told me to take Germantown. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I just decided to let my camera record while I go through Germantown because it's just a fun run. So we'll get some shots of that while I get down there, and then we'll get to the how to wrap a hardtop Miata and kind of how to wrap stuff in general, I guess, if you're just doing it yourself. It'll be fun. I've always wanted to learn how to kind of do wraps, so. Stock Miata. So stock.
Listen to that stock exhaust. Oh, engine noise. I'm gonna, ideally, I would like sand this fiberglass stuff down. I want to do it without taking off the hardtop because I already did this like lock things right here if you want to like. So basically I drilled a hole through the button latch. And then, don't get a normal Phillips, but I'm going to strip it so that no one can undo this. But basically, you drill a hole through this.
So you'll just never go topless again?
Yeah. It's basically just going to be a coupe.
Tight.
Which I'm down for. Because I had the Miata I had before this, I went soft top for 2 years. I'm okay with not having a soft top anymore. I'm sorry, Miata purists. And we're going to use some remaining white vinyl to get rid of that little thing, and then we're gonna get rid of this. I deleted the antenna the other day.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
you're just gonna put wrap on it?
Top Miata tip. This is the cap from your driver's side windshield thing.
Really?
And this is covered by the hood anyway, so you might as well just take it off. And it's the perfect size for this hole when you delete the antenna. So I just took black vinyl and then just put it right here, but we're gonna take this black vinyl off and then put white vinyl and then put this back on. Oh no, hold on. Put this on. And then put the white vinyl on top of that, so it's just like nice and
flat. Anyway, so we're gonna wash the hardtop. Almost said hood again.
Dude, you're just so gangster. You just want to say hood all the time.
Hood all the time. We were gonna wash it real quick and then wrap it.
Ideally, we would like sand this down, but we're gonna wrap the entire car later on, probably like 6 months from now. And then when we do that, we're gonna prep the entire car to get wrapped and hit all these stuff back here, all these little dings. Probably gonna sand this down.
Oh, we're gonna have to sand down the whole car.
No, yeah, we're just gonna get it nice and smooth like 6 months from now. But right now, I just want it to match. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, I think they sent me a lot more than I asked for, which is tight. I mean, from Amazon, but you know, whatever. I got it from Vivid. Through Vivid, because I don't know, I've heard really good things about them. So, yeah. All right, let's get this going. have some stuff left over. Damn, this is very close. Okay, if you order vinyl for a hardtop, get more than 6 by 5 feet. Yeah.
This is like perfect.
It's like,
I mean, it's
too close. It's too close. Like, I'm a little scared, but we'll be fine.
We was in the tennis going before the business. Need a door business. Need a door construction. Focus on the mission. Intermission. Never take a break. We can switch states. Touch down for a place. Switch. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. No, we contemplate. We didn't contemplate. No, rock the bank. We gon' rock the game. Get they game, we game. But they're not the same. We been purposes. Yeah, Miley Perkins. Big Perkins. Yeah, Miley Perkins. Big Perkins.
Alright, so that's done. We made quite a bit of mistakes, actually.
It looks like caca.
What?
I said it looks like caca.
It's not bad for, like, I don't know, how many times?
I've done this twice.
Okay, so yeah, second time. It's not bad. You want to lay it down for the wrap, is you want to lay it down, mock it up pretty much, and then cut overhang, but not too much, because then it becomes a real pain to work with. And then heat gun and pretty much squeegee all the way through.
Absolutely need a heat gun.
Yeah.
Literally cannot do this without a heat gun.
Yeah, you definitely need a heat gun. So, if you start with a heat gun, you probably won't get a whole lot of bubbles as much as we did. We didn't start with a heat gun though. So yeah, see, there you go. You just take a heat gun and you kind of shimmy your way through. It's definitely better with 2 people. So if you got an extra pair of hands to help you with this, way better. I'm out of here, dude.
Peace out.
Peace out. Say bye.
Bye, internet.
Bye, internet.